This 28-year-old taught me to make more than my corporate salary online. Look, I'm 62, and I thought I was too old for this online business thing. I was stuck making the same corporate salary while watching people half my age absolutely crush it online. Here's what nobody wants to tell you. The 9-to-5 system is broken. Your company doesn't care about your retirement. The average 401k has 65 grand. That's not retirement. That's poverty with extra steps. Meanwhile, 28-year-olds are making more in a month than we make in a year. Then I found the Freedom Blueprint from DBIMR ReliefNet, step-by-step training on high-ticket sales and funnel building. The same strategies that help someone scale to $40 million, and it costs Zik. Join for free and explore calmly. Compare that to ClickFunnels at $127 a month or marketing agencies charging thousands. You've got two choices. Keep doing what you're doing and hope for that 3% raise, or invest your time without tech overwhelm and learn skills that could change your financial future. Don't be that person who looks back in 5 years wishing they started today. The link is in the description. Explore calmly. Step 1, you sign in and land on a simple dashboard built for non-techies. Everything is laid out in bite-sized modules. Step 2, watch focused trainings on funnels and high-ticket sales. Short, practical lessons with zero fluff. Step 3, pick a funnel template. Swap in your story, your offer, your proof. Checklists keep you on track. You get inexpensive alternatives to the usual $120 a month tool stack. No clutter, no confusion. Step 5, publish your funnel and turn on traffic with simple walkthroughs. Track results, adjust, and improve. You are not alone. There is a community and weekly support at higher tiers. Real people, real wins. As skills grow, you can add high ticket offers and scale. Calmer days, clearer path. This blueprint leverages your decades of judgment and experience. No tech overwhelm. One clear system, no rush, no perfection needed. Start at your pace. People call it jam-packed with gems, highly recommended for DIY builders. Masterclasses are included with real community support. Low entry price, real frameworks and templates to deploy fast. Plug and play, then refine, access, learn, template, tools, launch, community, scale. Each step builds confidence. Imagine the relief of replacing your corporate income on your terms. More time, less pressure. Not tech savvy? That is exactly who this is made for. Clear guidance at every click. It is an entry into an ecosystem that can grow with you. From starter training to advanced mentorships. Start small, build steadily. Let your experience do the heavy lifting. It is a calmer way forward. The 50+ Freedom Blueprint is linked below. Take the first step today for free.